As somebody who's put X amount of hatches inside a boat for all different reasons and all different purposes, to including day boxes, both deep and shallow, I've always felt there was something like needed that's a little extra that those hatches and compartments didn't really give in terms of a convenient spectrum. I always wanted a place to have my phone readily accessible so I can just kind of grab it without having to go into a compartment and fish for it, like it all. Also just something for my immediate tackle, something to store like stray hooks or stray baits, like maybe little egg sinkers, bullet weights, like terminal tackle. Just I want it put someplace and it'll just store it there nicely. Those things are really hard to find in just standard storage. They kind of have to be made. My first initial option was one of these kind of like fabric webbed tackle storages where you can kind of stick a little tackle box in here, but it's all floppy and flimsy. Not the most robust thing and it sags. I put up with this for a really long time because this was all that was on the market that was economically sensible to buy. Nate from TBNation Outdoors Midwest and I both collaborated on making these vertical tackle storage bins, which are like that, but aluminum, completely rigid, will last forever, powder coated. They have slots for tools and slots for hooks, baits, spinner baits, chatter baits, just anything here, right? You can line your baits here. And you can put a tackle box in here, right in there. This is a shallower one, and we make an even deeper one that'll fit a larger one in a higher profile. I stick these in all my boats. I outfit my boats with all these, both inside the cockpit and inside some of the major storage units, even inside the rod locker, you can stick stuff. They're really, really good for fishing line, like spools of it, awkward stuff, camera gear, keys, wallets, phones, like anything that is kind of just awkward, where like the normal tackle systems, even compartments, don't necessarily hold it tight where you need it to be in one segregated area. So it just really brings your organization of tackle to the next level to add these. But these are also, to their detriment, really expensive to make. It's expensive to make these. They're all aluminum, powder coated, and that costs money. And a lot of people cannot justify the cost for them despite how well they work. I tried to show people till I was blue in the face how much better it is just to get a bunch of these versus making a bunch of dry hatches. Never been able to sell the idea home, but the biggest feedback we got on this was price. Revolution Product Designs, RPD, the same people who make those awesome consoles we've been putting in all the boats. We now teamed up with them and they created this. This is their vertical tackle organizer, and not only is it loads cheaper than the one I just showed you, it has more features. Very rarely can we offer more for less. It's got tool holders, but they're more defined and more specific. These are for fillet knives. These are for like pliers and scissors. Then it's got bait hook holders for spinner baits, chatter baits, or crank baits, anything. That's not all. It's got an open cubby inside, which is something we could not offer even in our aluminum versions. Your phone, wallet, keys, they can all go in here, and not only will they just be in a separate spot that you know exactly where they are and can reach them immediately, they will be in a shaded spot. You got two brackets here. You just mark and unscrew them, drill them into the wall, and then retighten them on. And then you would just put holes through here, because that's the back wall. And you would attach it here and here. 4 points of attachment, and this thing will not move off the wall. In this little sections here, you can put egg sinkers, hooks, bullet weights, any sort of terminal tackle that you just kind of need to store for the moment. Put it right there. And it's got that little non-slip stuff there, so to keep it from kind of rattling or rumbling around. It absolutely is fantastic. Like if you got 6 of these, put them all over your boat, you could probably solve your tackle problems almost immediately without having to do major modifications to the boat at all. Check out these RPD vertical tackle storage. We'll leave a link in the description below and also pin the products to this video. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. Take care.